What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're ranking the top 5 phones that offer the best camera life in the market. Now if you're someone who loves taking photos and videos on the go but hates running out of battery, this list is for you. We're not just talking about great cameras, we're focusing on phones that deliver amazing photo and video quality while also having long-lasting battery life to back them up. So let's dive right in and see which phones make the cut. Starting off at number 5, we have the OnePlus 11 Pro. Now OnePlus has been killing it with their flagship devices and the 11 Pro is no exception. It features a triple camera system with a 50MP main sensor, a 48MP ultra wide and a 32MP telephoto lens. But what's really impressive here is how efficient this phone is with power. The OnePlus 11 Pro is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery that gives you all-day battery life even with heavy camera usage. And with 100W fast charging, you can juice it up in no time if you're running low while out on a shoot. Coming in at number 4, it's the latest from Apple, the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Apple has always been known for its camera quality, and this model features a powerful 48MP main sensor and the new 12MP periscope telephoto lens for up to 5x optical zoom. The Smart HDR and night mode make your photos pop even in low light. But what about battery life? The 15 Pro Max comes with a 400 mAh battery that can easily last you a day of intensive camera use thanks to Apple's power-efficient 17 Pro chip. And with MagSafe wireless charging, you can easily top it up on the go. At number 3, we have the Google Pixel 8 Pro, the king of computational photography. This phone packs a 50MP main sensor and a 48MP ultra-wide, paired with Google's famous AI-powered image processing. It delivers stunning photos, especially when it comes to HDR, portrait mode and night sight. Now, what makes it stand out in terms of battery life? The Pixel 8 Pro is powered by a 5050 mAh battery, giving you more than enough juice for a day of shooting, even with 4K video recording. Plus, the phone optimizes battery life with Google's smart software management, so you won't be scrambling for a charger after a few hours of snapping photos. Coming in hot at number 2 is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, which is known for its jaw-dropping 200MP main camera. That's right, minus 200 megapixels. You've also got a 12MP ultra-wide and 2 telephoto lenses with up to 10x optical zoom, making it one of the most versatile camera setups you'll find on a smartphone. But the S23 Ultra doesn't just excel in camera specs, though it's also packing a massive 500000 mAh battery, which easily supports a full day of intensive camera use, even if you're shooting 8K video. And with 45W fast charging, you'll be back in action quickly if you need to top off the battery. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Xiaomi 13 Ultra. This phone has set the bar incredibly high when it comes to both camera quality and battery life. The Xiaomi 13 Ultra boasts a quad camera setup, featuring a 50MP main sensor, ultra-wide and 2 telephoto lenses, giving you professional level versatility. What really sets it apart though is the battery. It's equipped with a huge 5000 mAh battery, and thanks to Xiaomi's impressive battery management software, it can handle a full day of photography, video recording and even editing. And with 90W wired and 50W wireless fast charging, you'll never be stuck waiting around for a charge. And there you have it folks. Those are the top 5 phones with the best camera life, combining killer camera specs with batteries that last. Whether you're a mobile photographer, a vlogger, or just someone who loves capturing moments on the go, these phones will keep you snapping all day without having to worry about your battery dying. Which phone do you think deserves the top spot? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our latest reviews and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.